This is the Samsung QN90C Neo QLED, and Samsung claims it's one of the best 4K TVs you can buy for bright rooms and serious gaming. But here's the thing, after living with it for a week, binge-watching Netflix, watching Sunday football, and running it through PS5 marathons, I found something interesting. It might actually be too good in one specific area, and that changes who this TV is really for. Samsung QN90C Neo Product Overview. The Samsung QN90C Neo QLED is Samsung's premium 4K mini LED TV from 2023, sitting just below their flagship QN95C. It's designed for people who want flagship-level brightness, serious gaming performance, and vibrant HDR without jumping to OLED. It comes in sizes ranging from 43 inches all the way up to 85 inches, making it flexible whether you're outfitting an apartment or a full-on home theater. Pricing varies by size, but it sits firmly in the premium tier. According to reviews from Wired, R.Ratings, and other expert outlets, the QN90C's big selling point is its insane brightness and mini LED backlighting system. That combination makes it especially appealing for bright American living rooms where glare is a real issue. Samsung QN90C Neo Performance. Let's start with brightness. This thing is a beast. R.Ratings measured peak HDR brightness well over 1500 nits in certain conditions. In real life, that means if you have big windows blasting sunlight into your living room at 2 p.m., this TV doesn't flinch. Reflections are minimized and the image still pops. Watching NFL games on a Sunday afternoon, the field looks vibrant, uniforms are crisp, and you don't feel like you need to close the blinds. Now, HDR movies, that's where things get interesting. Thanks to mini LED local dimming, blacks are impressively deep for a non-OLED TV. Wired praised how it maintains punchy highlights without completely crushing shadow detail. Is it OLED level perfect? Not quite. In very dark scenes, you can occasionally notice some blooming around bright objects, but for most people, it's minor. Gaming? This is where the QN90C absolutely shines. It supports 4K at 120 Hz, VRR, and has 4 HDMI 2.1 ports. Input lag is extremely low. R.Ratings measured it in the single digits in game mode. On PS5 and Xbox Series X, gameplay feels buttery smooth and ultra-responsive. Features and tech. Let's talk standout features, and more importantly, why you should care. Number 1. Mini LED with quantum matrix technology. This is Samsung's advanced backlighting system. Instead of a few large LEDs, you get thousands of tiny ones. The benefit? Better contrast and more precise control of light, so explosions in movies look blindingly bright, while dark scenes still retain depth. Number 2. Neural Quantum Processor 4K. Sounds fancy, right? What it actually means is strong upscaling. Streaming 1080p content from YouTube TV or older shows on Hulu, the TV sharpens and enhances them surprisingly well. It won't magically turn everything into native 4K, but it definitely improves lower resolution content. Number 3. Gaming Hub. Samsung's built-in Gaming Hub lets you stream games via services like Xbox Cloud Gaming without even connecting a console. If you're a casual gamer, this could eliminate the need for extra hardware entirely. Design and build. The QN90C has a super slim profile with minimal bezels, so when you're watching something, it's basically all screen. The center stand feels sturdy and premium, and cable management is clean. It looks modern without being flashy, perfect for a minimalist living room setup. And because it's so bright, you don't have to mount it in a pitch-black cave to get a good image. Gaming and motion. For my gamers out there, this might be one of the best non-OLED gaming TVs available. You get 4K at 120 Hz, AMD FreeSync Premium Pro, and a dedicated game bar overlay that shows frame rate and VRR status in real time. Pros: extremely bright, perfect for sunny rooms. Excellent gaming performance with 4 HDMI 2.1 ports. Great upscaling and overall picture processing. Cons: some blooming in dark scenes. Tizen interface can feel cluttered. Final verdict: if you have a bright living room and you're tired of washed-out screens, this is an absolute no-brainer. The Samsung QN90C thrives in high-light environments where OLED sometimes struggles. If you're a serious gamer, again, easy recommendation. The low input lag, HDMI 2.1 support, and smooth motion make it fantastic. Now, if you're building a dedicated pitch-black home theater and you obsess over perfect blacks, you might lean towards an OLED like Samsung's S90C or an LG C Series instead. But for most American households, where the lights are on, windows are open, and sports are playing during the day, the QN90C might be the smarter, more practical choice.